Hello everybody. Today we are going to be testing this wallet. We're going to be testing the durability of it. Um, this wallet had some wrinkles in the Faraday fabric that came through on the wallet. I couldn't get those out, so I won't be able to sell this wallet, so it's destined to be a test wallet. We're going to be testing the durability of the pockets, the durability of the seams. Layer adhesion is very important to its durability, and I've taken a lot of precautions to get the layer adhesion as good as possible. Without further ado, I guess let's go test this thing. Okay, so I've got this little test rig set up here. It's just a suitcase scale that goes to 80 pounds or 35 kilograms, and it's got a little marker here to see the max weight. I've got the wallet here, and let's test one of the pockets here. Okay, so let's reset this first. Okay. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, well, did 60 pounds, and it's still it's a little stretched. Let's try and go 80 pounds. Well, it's not bad. It's got a little dimple there, but it didn't even start to fail. It just stretched. Huh. Well, that's satisfactory for me. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and test the other pocket too. Okay. Reset this. Oh, my God. Okay. Well, looks like I broke the scale. It did fail a little bit, but it looks like it held 80 pounds. So yeah, I think that's pretty good. So now I'm going to test here to here, and this is really I think the Achilles heel of this design. Because when you pull here, it's really a peeling effect. So once it starts peeling, it's just gonna keep peeling. So now that I have the scale fixed, let's give it a shot. This I'm gonna pull down with my finger. So let's see. Yep, and it starts peeling. So, oh, and the other side went. So, 30 pounds of force. That's about what I expected. Alright, so let's test one of these wallets for reference and see what kind of strengths here. So, got this pocket here, and we'll do the same. Okay. Oh. Okay. Well, yeah. So let's do this side here. Oh. Okay. Yeah, that wasn't super good. let's test this part. There. Oh. I didn't reset the thing, but still low. Okay. Now, this is an AliExpress wallet, but that's not super good. Okay, next I have this other wallet. Super thick. Yeah. So pockets are the other way, but I don't know, maybe we can test it well, for the benefit of the doubt. Okay. Reset this. Well, that's pretty good. But as you can see, I mean, it's destroyed. Oh, what is even all of this stuff? Do it. Okay. Oh, let's this. Oh, it's a little off. Okay, there we go. Oh, yep. The Achilles heel of wallets. It's the peeling of the seam. Looking at how it failed. I don't know if you can see this side. It failed right down the middle of the seam. Now, I think that could be improved by just maybe putting another layer, a couple more layers. I mean, I don't want it to get any thicker. This side, it looks like the back piece actually pulled out from underneath it. So that means it didn't adhere to the back piece. It's possible when I was tacking it in there that maybe I touched it. This pocket did pretty good. It didn't puncture through, and so yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I mean, let's see. It still works. So, in conclusion, I'm pretty happy with the results. The pockets performed much better than I expected, and that's really where the strength is needed. But as far as the spine peel test, I think 30 pounds is acceptable for something that you're never going to apply 30 pounds of force there. Now, I would like to test a newer wallet like this one, because, for example, if I take the thickness of one side of this, you're looking at about 1.9 millimeters, and then you take the thickness of this, you're looking at 2.3. So I have increased the thickness of this, so I'm pretty sure that this would probably hold up better. And then if you look at the thickness of the pockets here, that's really thin. And if we look at the thickness of the pockets on this one, well, like that, 0.5. So it's quite a bit thicker. So I'd like to test it again, but maybe we'll save that for another video. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.